Couple questions. Which equation is true when k is negative 15? That means I need to take out k and put in what?
Negative 15.
Negative 15. So here I've got 3 times negative 15
Negative 45.
minus 11. Stop shouting answers out at me. I'm not ready yet. 3 times negative 15.
Negative 45.
Now it's time for negative 45. Minus 11 equals negative 34. What's negative 45 minus 11? No, it is not.
No.
You guys are forgetting your integer rules and you're going to get these wrong on the exam. Hands. Yes. Negative 56. It does not equal negative 34. So A is not it. Negative 53 plus 4 times negative 15 equals 7. What's 4 times negative 15? No.
No.
Negative 53 plus negative 60. Does that equal 7?
No.
No. What does that equal? Yes, negative 113 does not equal 7. K over 3, negative 15 over 3. This is a problem in itself. This is separate as well. Plus 17 equals 12. What's negative 15 divided by 3?
5.
Negative 5. Watch your signs. Negative 5 plus 17 is?
12.
This one works. 37. In math class, 5 chapter exams are given and a score of at least an 80 must be earned to get a B. What does at least 80 mean?
Greater than or equal to.
Greater than or equal to. So if I get a 90, is that a good thing?
Yes.
Yes. If I get a 78, is that a good thing?
No.
No. Peter completed 4 exams with scores 70, 85, 76, and 84. Which number line shows the scores that Peter can get on the 5th exam and earn at least a B? Okay, I'm calculating scores here, and I'm finding an average. How do we find an average? Add what? Add them all. Add who all? All the scores. Do I know what Peter's score is on his last exam though?
No.
So if I don't know, what do I put there? Okay, so let's say X plus 70 plus 85 plus 76 plus 84. Those are all 5 of his scores. And then if I'm finding average, am I just adding and that's it?
No.
Divide by what?
3. 5.
By 5. Why? Because he already did 4 and he wants to know about his 5th one. So divide by 5. Now, wait a minute. Add these numbers up. 84 plus 70 plus 85 plus 76. 84, 70, 85, 76. Do not shout any answers out at me. Raise your hand when you got something. Ma'am, are you adding these up? Oh, tell me what you got then. How much? 400? 100? No, because I got 84 plus 70 plus 85 plus 76. If you have 105, add 200 to that. What do you get? Then add 10. Okay, what'd you get? Wait, I didn't go that far. No, I'm not dividing it by 5 because I have x there. And I don't know what x is. Yes. I just want the numbers added together right now. 315. 315 plus x divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 80. Now I got to get rid of this division by 5. How do I bring divided by 5 to the other side? What? Multiply by 5. So I'm going to multiply by 5 on both sides. What happens to these 5s over here? Bye. 315 plus x is greater than or equal to, what's 5 times 80? 400. Not 480. Now what? This is a one-step inequality. What do I do? Okay. Then, excellent. Minus 315, minus 315. 85. It's got to be greater than or equal to 85. Why is it not A? Because if I get a 70, that's less than 85. Ooh, excuse me, that's less than 85. This is the winner. All right. 38. An internet social media site charges $20 per month. What does that mean? Stay focused. 20x. Somebody said it. Plus 15 cents per post. Oh, just kidding. This is wrong. It's not 20x. It's 15 cents x. The 20 is just for the post. Mary doesn't want to spend more than $50 per month. Which number line represents the number of posts Mary can make each month? So no more than 50. What kind of inequality symbol do I use? Less than or equal to 50. Good. What am I going to do with the 20?
You're going to subtract.
Awesome. Minus 20 on both sides. River, what's 50 minus 20?
30.
15x is less than or equal to 30. What do I do with the 15? Look at the answers. What's 30 divided by 15 cents? Look at the answers.
200.
200. Less than or equal to 200. C. Can they spend or send 260 posts?
No.
No. Can they send 160?
Yes.
Yes. Can they send 199?
Yes.
Can they send 202?
No.
Why?
Because
Because it exceeds that 200. Okay, that's your review.